show that integration of x sine 2x limits are from 0 to pi by 6 is equal to that. How do I show that? See, first we should integrate, then put the limit, simplify and get that. So step 1 is integrating x sine 2x dx. Now the question is, how do I integrate? See here, before you start integrating, you should analyze that this is a product of x and sine 2x. So now you have to integrate a product. So whenever you want to integrate a product, you should make use of integration by parts formula. Clear? Remember that. Integrating a product, you should make use of integration by parts. And the formula is integration of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, here you will get du by dx, here it is dv by dx, here you will get v. This is the formula. Okay, now I will equate these two. When I equate, one of these two should be taken for u and another one should be taken for dv by dx. Now the question arises, which one shall I take for u? Shall I take this to be u or this to be u? How do I decide that? I decide based on this word eilate. How does this word helps us? See, x is algebra and sine 2x is trigonometry. Out of the two letters, whichever letter comes first in this word, that should be taken for u. So out of a and t, a comes first. That means u is x and the other one dv by dx is equal to sine 2x. Clear so far? Next, take d by dx on both sides. So here du by dx is equal to, this cancel out leaving you 1. Here send dx to the other side. So it is sine 2x dx. Now integrate on both sides. So here this cancel out leaving you v. Integration of sine 2x. Sin x is minus cos x by, in place of x whatever you have, that derivative should be written in the denominator. Don't forget, many forget but you should not forget. Clear? Okay. So derivative of sine 2x is 2. So we are done. Now integration of this is nothing but this one now. So replace all these values in this. So this will become now u into v. U is x, v is minus cos 2x by 2 minus integration of v, this one, minus cos 2x by 2, and du by dx is 1 dx. Okay. Now I write this one over here. So this is minus x cos 2x by 2, and here minus will come outside, thus making this positive, and also this 2 will come outside. So it will be 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx. Okay. Now, so this is minus x cos 2x by 2 plus 1 by 2 integration of cos x is sin x by, in place of x whatever you have, that derivative you should write in the denominator. Do not forget that. So derivative of 2x is 2. So finally it is minus x cos 2x by 2 plus sine 2x by 2 into 2, 4. Okay. With this, we are done with the integration. Now, what are the given limits? So, given limits are 0 to pi by 6. So, 0 to pi by 6. Now, put upper limit minus lower limit. So, first upper limit is pi by 6, replace it here. So, this 2 I write here, and in place of x, pi by 6 and cos 2 into pi by 6 plus 1 by 4 I write here, sine 2 into pi by 6. So, done with the upper limit. Now, lower limit. Lower limit is x. Lower limit is 0. So, when x is 0, 0 into anything gone. So, this entire thing is 0. Plus, when x is 0, this will become sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. So, 0 by anything 0. So, this also gone. So, we are left only with this one. So, this is here minus pi by 2 into 6, 12. And here 2 1s, 2 3s. Cos pi by 3. How much do you get from the calculator is 1 by 2 you will get. Plus 1 by 4. 2 1s, 2 3. Sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Thus, left with minus pi by 24 plus root 3 by 8. What we have to show? Minus pi by 24 plus root 3 by 8. So, we have got what he told us to show. Okay.